Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start right away. Open File Explorer, Win+E, and navigate to the folder or drive you want to inspect. Once there, click the View tab and check Hidden Items so you can see simple hidden files immediately. Make sure to open Folder options, switch to the View tab, and choose Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives. This ensures Explorer displays hidden entries consistently across sessions. After doing that, confirm changes and remain in the folder where you plan to search. Once done with basic visibility, you can reveal protected system files if necessary by unchecking Hide Protected Operating System Files in Folder Options. Confirm the warning only when you understand the risk. To narrow results, use the Explorer search box with a file name or pattern while hidden items remain visible. For a more powerful search, open PowerShell as you and run getChildItemPathC. \force recurse hidden error action silently continue to enumerate hidden files across folders. This helps when Explorer's search is too slow or misses protected entries. Now finish by confirming file state. Right-click any suspicious file and choose Properties to inspect the hidden attribute, and uncheck it if you need the file visible. If you must change many files, use a trib from an elevated command prompt or setitem property /getChildItem in PowerShell to adjust attributes in bulk. Once finished, re-enable Hide Protected Operating System Files to avoid accidental edits. If you can't find expected hidden files, make sure you ran the commands as an administrator and verify NTFS permissions. That is the key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.